Will you withdraw?
Chairman, I'm sorry, I will not withdraw.
Well, to demonstrate to you that I am the chairman for this particular vetting committee, that may be your last question. I will proceed.
My Ghana Media TV, Yasha Obo say a banner trending news, which is authentic, current affairs, political, sports, politics, and etc. You know, you didn't even have a bro. You didn't any children mom she be dream na ene day a ye ojefo bosom no ne da etoso aduonu nsia fempem yedo ne aduonu num. Brashe bedwam anototo bedwakuo aye from opotokasa mu say appointment committee and as vetting committee no omu sinkunya a owura John Dramani Mahama adehye ma obo omudini pese omo asoafo abedi chiredi bre no omu binom kopie mu wo vetting committee no anim na opanyine a owura John Dramani Mahama bo ni din say onko Attorney General and Minister for Justice Ministry or na onkoye Deputy Minister Justice Srem-Sai na okopie mo vetting committee nanim okoye no ene omubisa no nsem bebre ema ono nso eyiya no na enkomo ni duru fa baabi no MPP ma hye bedwafo no eno ye dom ketwa no omano ba no dani ye onumanyamfo Alexander Afenyo-Markin obisa owura Srem-Sai se ne kuromu asa ya asa ben and opanyine bo asa bi a owura Afenyo tiremu se asa na obo ye no omonte da omuhu bi da enti within 30 seconds no on fan demonstrate asano ma omonhwe na eno na anototo obedwakuo no titinani owura Ahiafor echirem se dabi a serious business no omoye and yama obedi bre se wonko no nkoye Deputy Attorney General and Chief Justice we say wabepiem vetting committee anima on sane kromasa within 30 seconds to emra sebedwamu no o kirem se dwumadi no mudi no nyese agro anti no won masa ade no nkoso eno na owura Afenyo-Markin so kirem se dabi tinchina wo se ekoso and I'm so ma owura Afenyo-Markin ninsema okaye no na afi yakwa akoba se titinani wa bedekuo ni so no hu ni se ninsem na no odin iti ko ntwen sign but owura Afenyo-Markin kirem se nya de so obetwe sign iti ekowie achi na chese nam so ame wo se ahimfuchi na ebi de dabi achi ebi tumi so chen bi iti anototo obedekuo titre ni owura Ahiafor esi gina ya iti anu baba ye kakrakra eko so a mema wo so I enjoy but don't forget say my Ghana Media TV or #1 news update portal but more than say always be on service there wait so akoma ghanamedia.com na wako kenkan sema hodo ede egu ono so ebi.
Chairman, if you decide to be whimsical and capricious, it will not advance the work of this committee. Apart from the constitutional issues involved, it is also about our culture. We've had nominees speaking their dialect here, and I do not think that if you start by is overruled. The man is talking about a dance that we all don't know until today. If anybody had asked me in the Volta region as part of our culture what are the dances, I would have said Agbaja and Bobobo. Today he is enlightening me and others, and I'm saying that he should demonstrate it just in some 30 seconds, and you saying that you are disallowing the question.
Leader, I take offense from the fact that you are saying I'm being whimsical and capricious. So I'll urge upon you to withdraw those words used on me.
Chairman,
I
I will
still
not
stand
withdraw.
by
I will not
overruling the question
I
that
will not
you are not
withdraw.
going to
You
demonstrate
were whimsical.
any dance.
You were whimsical and capricious in the way you overruled my question. I will not withdraw.
You would not demonstrate any dance. This is not a demonstration forum. This is appointment committee. So I insist that you withdraw the word that I'm being whimsical and capricious.
Chairman, I will not withdraw. I'm sorry. I will not withdraw. You rudely overruled me. I will not withdraw.
I would again ask that you withdraw the word rudely.
Chairman, one more time, I will not withdraw. I'm sorry.
Will you withdraw?
Chairman, I'm sorry, I will not withdraw.
Well, to demonstrate to you that I am the chairman for this particular vetting committee, that may be your last question. I will proceed